Okay, now we need to create a component to show our error that our email and password is empty, and for that we can go back to our shared folder, and here we will create a new component and we call it error.js. Okay, and here we need to import React from React, and we'll need some components from React Native. So we'll need a style sheet, the view, and the text. So it will be a very simple component, and everything comes from React Native. Now for the component itself, we say const error. We'll pass it some props because we'll need the props from the other components, and then we say return, and then we'll have our view and our text that will props the message. So say props the message that will be sent from the parent component. For that, now we need to create also some styles. Const styles, style sheet, create, and then we have to set the styles for our view. So we'll say call it container, and this container will have a width of 100%. Just make it very simple here, and we'll align items to center, and we'll give it a margin of 10. We also need a short style for our text, and we can just say text, give it a color of red. Okay, now we can apply the styles here. So first for our container, so style, styles.container. Also for our text, same procedure, style, styles.text. Now we only need to export our component. Say export default error. Now we can save it, and we can go back to our login component, and we already have the set error. We need to import our error component, so say import error from, again, shared and error. So then before our button here, so we'll say if error, we'll show our component. So our component is error, and the message that we'll pass will be the error state variable. So we'll pass that message that we set in our handle submit, and if it's not, we'll just say no. We also need to pass the onPress event here, so the handle submit kicks in. So we'll just say onPress handle submit. Okay, now we can save it, and now we have the form empty. If I press, we have the error here, and we can just change your credentials. So the error is appearing here. And now if we populate the input, so we say user.email, say 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if we press, no error appears because it's populated. Again, if we delete, let's say, the password only, the error appears.